Otherworlds is a retrospective look at the entire story of planetary exploration. The first image comes from 1967. The most recent is from the New Horizons spacecraft, which swept past Pluto last summer. Space exploration, the opening of the solar system to human eyes for the first time. That's what I wanted to represent in Otherworlds. Most of the images in the show are color, and they are as close to true color as I could get them. I'm really trying to get at what the human eye would see, because I believe these subjects are so alien to our experience that it's necessary to get to a point where they look as they might to the human eye if we could go ourselves to these places. The source data is black and white single frames. I take the raw data and I work on it extensively. So with the Ganymede in front of Jupiter image, the spacecraft was taking multiple shots of different parts of the planet and the moon through red, green, and blue filters. As you stack those black and white single frames, a kind of alchemy takes place. It's very similar to the alchemy of a darkroom, where voila, you get color. Each section of the planet is mosaic together, and ultimately you end up with a seamless, high-quality color photo. I really enjoy this process because I realize with a kind of a jolt, I may be the first human being to see Jupiter from that angle and the way it would be seen. I feel sometimes like an explorer. It really evokes that kind of thrill. None of these images would have been possible without the extraordinary achievements and efforts of large teams of scientists and engineers from NASA and the European Space Agency who have made these missions possible. Scientists go into these archives looking for their kinds of findings, and I go in looking for my own kind of discovery, which is aesthetic in nature. It's about extraordinary moments. Now with technology increasingly influencing art, it's particularly relevant that in 2016 we have this show in the Natural History Museum. It's really art and science combined.